Hey, look at us. We're at session number 10. Pretty good. So I think tonight's gonna be a bit of a shorter uh, session just because it's a bit late, so I apologize. But if you remember last night, we were trying to see if my profile was updating from whatever it was, 900,000, and it did. Dropped like 50, 60,000 maybe ranks, or increased, I guess, 50, 60,000 ranks for solving those, whatever it was, 3 problems. Mm. So yeah, well, let's get back to it. So what did we finish off with? We finished off with merge intervals. Is that right? Yeah, merge intervals. Word search I did poorly on. Maybe we'll visit that tomorrow. Let's see. Task scheduler. I've done that, right? Yeah, I've done task scheduler, which is a meeting room variant. Oh, that's the one with A. Okay, yeah. Which you solve that one by, how do you solve that one? I think you, oh, you have like a cooldown queue, and yeah, okay. It's like a cooldown queue, and then you keep a interval, and then if it's equal to the interval, it's able to be used. And then you put the one with the highest frequency at the front. I think you use a priority queue. Yeah, use a heap. Okay. Largest number. What is that? Today an easy? Oh, today's an easy with a 39% acceptance rate. Let's see if I can be part of that 39%. Am I right? Let's see. You're given a 0 next to row of nums. A prefix is sequential if for all one nums, if all j less than or equal to I. Nums j equals nums j minus 1 plus 1. In particular, the prefix consisting of only nums 0 sequential. Alright, so for nums is 1. Oh. Return the smallest integer x missing from num such that x is greater than or equal to the sum. Return the smallest integer missing from num such that x is greater than. Why greater than? Or equal to the sum of the longest sequential prefix. Oh, the sum. The longest sequential prefix. So 1, 2, 3 is sums to 6, it returns 6. Oh wait. Return the smallest integer. Oh, so if 6 was in it, it would return 7. 3, 4, 5, 12, 14, 13, The longest sequential prefix of nums is 3, 4, 5. Sum of 12. Oh, I see. So 12's in there, 13's in there, so 14's in there, so you return 15. Okay, so we could do set nums equals that for easy lookup at the end. Return the smallest integer x must be known such that x is greater than or equal to the sum of the longest sequential prefix. What if there's 2? Like, what if there's 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8? I guess the second one? I don't know. If len nums is 1 though, it equals 1, return nums at 0 plus 1. And now for I in range, or for I, let's do for I num in range. What am I doing? In enumerate nums 1 on. If sum, pref sum, what is this? It's like a prefix sum, but it's like a, do sex sum 0. Could this be, okay, positive? If nums, or if num equals nums at I minus 1 plus 1. Oh, here, wait, here's what we'll do. We'll do longest equals 0. If it's equal, if this num is equal to the one before it. Wait a minute. Is this sliding window? No, it's not sliding window. Sorting. Okay. I don't see. Wait, I just realized something. This is so small. It's a length of 50. You could just... Oh, you know, this doesn't have to be optimal at all. Oh, I guess that's why it's an easy. If num is equal to num, the number before it plus 1. Oh, else. If it isn't, len is 0. Or it's always 1, I guess. If, what am I doing? Len is greater than longest. Len is greater than, I guess if it's equal, we'll just try greater than, well, what? Wait. curlin is greater than longest, longest equals curlin. And then we'll do, what is it? Longest sum. Are you able to do ifs like this? Oh. Wow. While longest sum. Not in set nums. While longest sum in set nums. Longest sum plus equals 1. This doesn't seem like optimal. What am I doing? 27? What? And longest equals. What am I like doing right now? Like, this easy's taking up all my energy right now. Unbelievable. What if num is equal to nums at I minus 1 plus 1, which it is, wait, let me test something. This starts at 1, right? What is going? This does start at 1, right? Are you serious? It starts at 0. Let me do my own test case. It seems to be working, but I feel like I'm missing something. This is so annoying. Why does that start at 0? Oh, because it assumes the first one is 0. Can you go 1 on for this? Wait. Remove the +1. You go 1 on here. Or does that not work? The numerate's not iterable. Interesting. I +1. Oh, so it starts at 0. Why am I doing +1 minus? So is this really it? I mean, you know what? YOLO. Yep. So notice, guys, how I've contributed to the other 60%. 947. 1, 2. Oh wait, what? What? Let's see. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5, 1. Oh. How do you solve this easy? What if there's a longer prefix later in the array? Huh? This doesn't make sense. Alright, whatever. What was the largest number? Fine, wait, I'll do it. I mean, I guess I'll do it just to do it, but like, I don't even really know what I'm doing. I don't even know why this works. Doesn't make sense to me. But I guess it does. Longest number. What is this? I'm just trying to see the... See if anybody's talking about the TikTok. Is this to discuss? I don't know what these guys are up to be honest. The largest number. Medium. Given a list of non-negative integers known as arranging such that they form the largest. Okay. Oh my goodness. I don't even know. What did it say I have to think about here? Hmm. 9 at the front. And 5. Oh. Okay. Nones that sort key equals lambda x, where x equals the length of x. So this should give us all of the single dit. The length of string x. 359. Three, 5, 9, 30, 34. Okay, so then split it up. Oh, and then you can put like a second thing, right? X, negative X. How to add a second lambda. We'll ask ChatGPT. When doing a lambda function, how do you add a second? How do you add a second backup parameter for if two elements have the same value for the first lambda parameter? Okay. A tuple. Two 10. Now look at that. 953 3430. 953 953 953. Wait, what? What? 9534. Why is 34 ahead of 3? Because if it was 3, it would be 33 there. Why 34? What? Max norms. If it comes down to 3. If they both have 3 in the first spot. 3 is the same as 3. It's not really. 3 is better than 3, 0. What is this? Why? What happens if you What happens if you No. Alright. So nums is list map string. Store key equals lambda. That's 10. What happens if you multiply? Doesn't it just... Okay, whatever. What if you multiply 3? 9 5 9 5 3 4 3 3 0. Because this is 10 threes. This is 3 4 3 4 3 4 3 3. What? I'm so confused. 10's bigger than 2. Okay. What? Reverse equals true. What? Convert the string. Since comparing individual digits won't work again, and the integer strings allows it to concatenate. Compare the results of a plus b and b plus a. So use a custom order to sort the string. The comparator should compare two strings and by checking if the results. What? They're actually doing stuff here though. Customs. What? Explain it. I need this. I'm so confused. $34 times 10 is... It's not this, it's 30. Holy. Guys, I need an easy one. Well, like, what do people do on this? Because clearly you're not doing that. What is this func CMP to key? Functool CMP to key. Is this even, well, like, sort of key? Oh my gosh, here we go. Cocaine, what? Everybody's using CMP to key. CMP to key. Bro, what is this? Why am I searching in AI? What is A and what is B, bro? Like, come on. This is, what is this? 43. Like, this is messed up. They got, oh, we have an editorial. Did they use CMP to key? Are you serious right now? This is messed up. I need a different one. That's it. Alright, let's do a review then. Which one should I do? Gaps at 2, so we can do at most a gap at 2, so we have to do one of these 3. With absolute, we could do cocoa. Let's do longest. Let's do longest contig subway. Longest contig. Longest contig. It's contiguous, right? Oh, continuous. Subarray. Find the solution. Okay. Longest continuous subway after the death of an air given an array sound will never return to the social derivative as less than or equal to limit. How do you do this? 8. Oh, max, min. Oh, it's like 2 Q's. It's like, let's see, max Q equals DQ, we'll do min at left, we'll do max at left for num and nums. I think this was it. I think. Yeah, so tomorrow I'll stream Logger, guys. I was pretty occupied today. Had some school stuff to do. Personal stuff. But yeah. What? Wait, let me see. Oh, so these are all the things in the window. How do you keep the max in the... Oh. Oh. Wait. So like you add 8. So 8's in the max and the min. It's 0, 0 would be 0. Then you add 2. Then you add 4. Then you add... How long is this? That's pretty long. So 8, 2, 4. Oh wait, 8, 2. It violates. So wow. Okay, wait. Max Q dot. Oh wait. Max Q and is let's just pop. Alright, while max Q 0 minus min Q 0 is more than the limit. This is a sliding window, right? Okay. Priority queue? What are you... Okay, whatever. Whatever. Oops. Sorry about that. Oh, here we'll do... if num's at L, what? But shouldn't we be taking... Okay, maybe not. No, but I feel like we should be taking it out of the... Oh. Wait. Wait, I don't even know. I don't even know what to... What does this do? It returns the length of our array. Phenomenal. Phenomena. While the max Q at 0 minus the min Q at 0 is greater than the... Num's at L. What? Let's do a run through. So 8, 0, 1, 8, 2. Okay. What am I doing? This is min. Oh my gosh, it works. Wow. Phenomenal. What is today? 8. See, it's today's technically the 11th because it's past midnight, but are you guys gonna be mad at me if I say I did this on the 10th? Because today's the, my consciousness is from the 10th. If I woke up on the 11th and was doing this, I would do the same. Because if I do this tomorrow, I would write 11. But if I wrote 11 now, because it's past 12, then it would seem like I did it that same day, which technically, by time-wise, I did, but a whole sleep and stuff would be in between, so that's why I'm not doing that. Alright, so that was review for that. Should I do... Merge intervals was so just weird, like... It's just so weird. I remember. Because you just sorted them, and then if the next start time was less than or equal to the end time, You just merge them. I mean, I can do it again, I guess. Wait, no, I did that. Oh, I did it on the 9th, yeah. I mean, I guess I can do it again and then call it a day. We're at 52 right now. 52 minutes. Merge intervals. Actually, is there a similar question here? What is this one? Given an integer nums and integer k, you may partition nums into one or more subsequence such that each element of nums appears in exactly one of the subs. Turn the maximum and minimum number to 36125 is at most 2. 31265. The max. I think the max and min is the first. 3. Whoa. This is quite the problem. It can't be sliding window, right? Okay, good. Whoa. Weekly contest 296. What number was this? This was number 2. Holy. What badge is that? 50. Usually pop group elements one turn. Three, 6, 1, 2, 5, 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. 1, 2. Difference is 1. 1, 2, 3. Difference is 2. What? Compared to. Okay, bro. I mean, that's just really something. Bro, this ain't. Is this the one I just did? How are these similar? This is the same. If the number is, as long as it's within of the highest frequency number, you're fine. As long as the max and min are within k of the highest frequency, so 4. What is this? Any unit nums I minus k nums I plus k. What's up with the emojis, bro? Bro. If nums L plus D is less than L plus what? Oh. That still doesn't make sense though. Oh. That kind of does make sense, I guess. Wait. If nums if num minus k is greater than nums at L plus k. Oh, this is a while. This is a mess. How could the 4 minus K. Known as the L is 4. One plus K. On 2, 4. Why is this a slide? Why is he sliding window? The length of nums minus L. Bro, you know what, go, bro. Alright. I'm calling it a night, guys. It's late, and honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. If you can't tell by what's going on, and the fact that we basically did no problems other than reviewing one problem. Alright, yeah. Sorry for such a short stream, but I'll try and make up for it tomorrow. Yeah, we got a lot of work to do for Roblox, and I don't think Gemini's really given me some great stuff. I mean, I'll do designing this just because I don't have a lot of experience with designing things. And then this one just made me angry, to be honest. I mean, it seems so specific, but I mean, I guess I'll do it. Maybe. But yeah, we'll try and do these. It sounds pretty intense, so. And then I also want to revisit word search and shortest path in grid with obstacle elimination. And maybe then after that, I might ask again, but if I don't see anything good, we might just go to LeetCode 150 and just work on some of these things. But yeah, alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow.